Are you looking for the best garage workbenches in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 10 best garage workbenches that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 10 is the Fleximounts Universal Steel Workbench Kit. The Fleximounts option is perfect for the budget-conscious DIYer. Keep in mind, this is only the legs, and it's designed to create an L-shaped bench for your garage corner. You'll need to purchase your own lumber separately. So buyer beware. We understand that this category is broad, but we wanted to capture the wide range of offerings on the market that were neither stationary nor portable. These workbenches come fully loaded with everything you can think of: pegboard, lighting, vises, electrical outlets, and more. If you love having all the extras that help you stay organized and efficient, this is the route for you. Coming in at number 9 is the Seville Classics Ultra. This Seville Classics workbench is one of the best options available on Amazon, and we loved it. It has pegboard and accessories, a power strip, shelving, lights, and drawers. Setting it up in our garage instantly elevated the space and made it feel professional. Assembly can be tricky, so we highly recommend tackling it with 2 people. There is one downside. We scratched the tabletop during assembly. In hindsight, this was partially our fault for not following the instructions to place cardboard down while attaching the legs. Still, we thought it scratched a little too easily. Considering how workbenches are used, we wonder if this is an indication of how this one may wear over time. Another minor drawback is that the top shelf feels a bit flimsy. We wouldn't recommend placing anything too heavy up there. At number 8, we have the Husky 61-inch 10-drawer mobile workbench. It's not cheap, but this combination workbench tool chest has it all. 10 drawers for tools, a lockable door cabinet, a hardwood worktop, and a flip-up pegboard with shelf for lightweight necessities. It also sports 120 lb, rated soft close ball bearing drawer slides and pre-installed casters for mobility. At number 7, we have the WEN 48-inch workbench with light. The WEN 48-inch workbench resembles the combination unit we set up in our garage, though it appears slightly less sturdy. It has a steel surface instead of a wooden top, and the legs seem a bit less robust. While we haven't assembled this one, the price is appealing. Some reviews mention that assembly can be tricky, so keep that in mind if you're considering this option. While some might argue that mobile workbenches fall into a different category due to the lack of strength and durability of a full-length, traditional workbench, they certainly make up for it with their flexibility, convenience, and affordability. A mobile workspace might not be something you always need, but when you do, it's something you're glad to have. If this foldable option appeals to you, you might also want to explore other similar options below. Coming in at number 6 is the Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table. The Worx Pegasus is made of high-impact plastic and packed with features primarily geared toward woodworking, such as clamps, channels, and a sawhorse conversion. However, its versatility extends beyond carpentry, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing a mobile workbench. What we love about this workbench is its collapsible, lightweight design, making it incredibly easy to set up and stow away. When folded, it maintains its original length and width, but loses depth, allowing it to slide easily into unused spaces between your garage shelves and walls. Its slim, collapsible form also makes it easy to carry under your arm, whether moving it from setup to storage or taking it on the go. Editor Catherine Keeler spent the weekend with her Worx Pegasus folding workbench, which proved very useful while she was working in the middle of a field where it would have otherwise been way too easy to lose nails and screws. Halfway through at number 5 is the Black+Decker portable workbench. This little Black+Decker portable workbench seems to work best if you need a table to hold parts while you work on them. The two wood pieces act as clamps or light-duty vises to hold up those calipers while you scrape away the rust. At number 4 we have the Fleximounts Universal Steel Workbench Leg Kit. The Fleximounts Universal Steel Workbench is one of the simplest products on this list, and it's that basic design that makes it durable and easy to live with. It features a 3-shelf setup with heavy-duty steel braces, but it does require the buyer to provide their own shelving. While that sounds frustrating, the setup lets buyers choose the material, color, and configuration that works best for their needs, and the product has received several positive reviews from happy customers. The third product on our list is the WORKPRO 48 inches Adjustable Workbench, Rubber Wood Top. The WORKPRO Adjustable Workbench offers a massive 2,000 pound load capacity and a robust hardwood worktop. WORKPRO promises easy assembly, and the bench is height adjustable between 31.5 and 39.5 inches tall. Additionally, it offers a power strip with 4 AC outlets and 2 USB ports. Second on our list is the Prostormer 47.25-inch heavy-duty workbench with P. We often say the simplest solution is best, but a more complicated product is sometimes required. The Prostormer workbench offers shelves, drawers, and a pegboard back to provide multiple storage options. Additionally, it features heavy-duty steel and wood construction and has a scratch-resistant paint job to keep it looking great for years to come. Finally, the top product on our list is the CAMMOO 60 inches workbench with storage premium large workspace. For those who crave maximum real estate, this 60-inch beast delivers the same all-in-one functionality as its smaller sibling. It features a double-layered rubberwood top, a solid storage shelf, full pegboards, and integrated power, making it ideal for large-scale woodworking or automotive work. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.